Are you trying to decide between Adobe Portfolio and Behance? You are not alone. Both tools are popular for showcasing creative work, but they serve different needs. In this video, we'll compare Adobe Portfolio and Behance to help you find the right fit for your projects. Both platforms let you display your art, photography, or design work online. They offer a way to create a professional presence and connect with others in the creative community. Let's start with Adobe Portfolio. This tool is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. It's designed to help you build a personalized website quickly. You can choose from various templates and customize them easily. It's great for those who want a unique look without much hassle. Now, let's look at Behance. Behance is more of a social network for creatives. It allows you to showcase your work and discover others. You can follow artists, comment on projects, and even get feedback. It's perfect for networking and gaining visibility in the creative world. So, what are the key differences? Adobe Portfolio is focused on creating a personal website, while Behance emphasizes community and sharing. If you want a standalone site, go with Adobe Portfolio. If you are looking to connect with other creatives, Behance is the way to go. When it comes to features, Adobe Portfolio offers customization and integration with other Adobe tools. Behance provides a platform for interaction and exposure to a larger audience. In terms of pricing, Adobe Portfolio is often included with a Creative Cloud subscription. Behance is free to use, which is a big plus for many. In the end, if you want a polished website, choose Adobe Portfolio. For community engagement and exposure, go with Behance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.